Okay, Harvey the Silver Fox here. We happen to be in our live training room. I have Hayden and Orlando with me today. This
Hello,
is going,
everyone.
hey Orlando, this is going to be a video letting everyone know this. I have an update on the sales page. In my previous training videos, um, I discussed the sales page that looks like this here. Let me open it up. My computer's running really, really slow today, so bear with me here. Here's Hayden's sales page. I have not updated Hayden's sales page. In all my previous training videos, um, I was showing you what the sales page looks like here. Now I'm going to be updating Hayden's sales page to look like Orlando's sales page, which I have updated here. So what I've done is I have taken Rapid Crypto here. Remember, this is a feeder program. Rapid Crypto, World Profit are feeder programs. A feeder program is one that you go out there offering something free, like World Profit here is you're offering to blast your ads to 30,000 per month free. Of course, this program, Rapid Crypto or World Profit's free to join. And then when somebody does join your World Profit here, of course, you get the email address and you can plug them into your autoresponder system, manually plug them in. Well, the same is with Rapid Crypto. In just a minute, I'll show you how to do that. But I've taken Rapid Crypto out of here and I've made it the showcase featured. When somebody logs into their lead capture page, they're going to be redirected here, and I made it the featured. This is my best crypto program. Down here, you're going to see that I just put a blank in here, replacing coming soon the Rapid Crypto, which I moved up here. Now, here's the concept of this. I've placed Orlando's referral link for Rapid Crypto in this image here. And it says, click on the image to the left to join Rapid Crypto for free. This is my best crypto program. I'll pay you your first position, pay you one tranche for subscribing, give you a free lifetime membership, plus build a free sales page like this one. Of course, Orlando's going to do that with your referral links embedded in all the images. So Orlando's going to build, when they get here, when they get into the crypto team build group, what they're going to do then is they're going to copy this message here, and make a post and a comment in the crypto team build Telegram group. And Orlando's going to take over and post a message. Actually, he's going to reply with a message saying, I'll be more than happy to do that for you. Meet me in my direct message or PM area. So now this is a feature. This is the lead capture page redirect, of which now Orlando has a lead when they join for free. And the only way they're going to be able to get their first position paid for, and of course get paid that one Tron and get a lifetime membership, plus have Orlando build a free sales page just like this one. All right. And of course, most of these programs are free to join. And when they join, Orlando's going to place their referral links and these images down here for them. It's not going to cost them anything, but the only way they're going to get that is they have to get into the crypto team build right here, Telegram group, and post this message. Like I say, in fact, the majority of my other training videos talked about this. It looked like this. So Hayden, I'm going to update your page here. sales page here to make it look like Orlando's here, okay? When I get done with this video. So let's take a look at Rapid Crypto. And I'm going to show you how you can generate all kinds of leads, whether they do this or not. If they click here and join, you're going to have that lead in your Rapid Crypto back office. So I'm going to show you how that works. So here's my Rapid Crypto back office, and these are Plankton. They have not upgraded to Crab yet, and I have not piffed them yet. I only piff them if they engage with me by getting into the Crypto Team Build group. So these last three came in, and how you find their email is you right click and you copy email address. So what you can do is you can copy their name and put it into your Sendio autoresponder system. Copy their name, and then you can right click. I go down here, right click, copy email address, and you can paste that email into your Sendio autoresponder system. So you've just got a lead. Whether they do anything or not, you have a lead that you can plug in to build your list. Now, I'm going to show you what I do now. I send them out another email from my Gmail account, my personal Gmail account. Let me show you that. So I have this script in my Word doc, and all I do is I come over here and I copy this script. And there again, if you want this script, just PM me. I copy that, then I go over here to my compose an email. My computer is really slow. I paste it like that. Then I copy this. I delete it and I move this up. Put that script in there. And then what I do is I come back to my Rapid Crypto back office here. I highlight that, copy the name, and I'll put it in here. Get to it later here. Then I copy their email address. Copy email address. Okay, let me bring this back over here. Now I send one to myself, a BCC. I send this same message to myself here. So I got a BCC myself, put their name here, their name here. This is join our Crypto Team Build Telegram group here. When you arrive, post this message here, right here. Copy and paste, post that message, and then tells them not to put their link in the Telegram group, because if they do, they're going to be banned instantly. Either I or my team will give you instructions to add your referral links to the Team Build Rotator. There you go. So Rapid Crypto is an excellent feeder program. And like I say, if they don't engage with you, you do not have to piff. But that lead is yours forever. There's no piff, global piff pool. So that lead will just sit back there until, I mean, they can upgrade themselves if they want. But I don't do it unless they engage with me. I do not upgrade them. So this is a updated video for the paid members that have a paid marketing system. And of course, for those free members, if you want yours upgraded, you need to get with your sponsor. So if for those paid members that have free members out there that have free sales pages, of course, what's going to happen here, you're going to place their referral link here, that free members referral link. And of course, their name is going to be here. So you need to keep track of their name. So when somebody comes in and they want a page built for them, the paid members have to build that page. Free members, of course, can't do that because they don't have a marketing system where they can do that. So paid members, you get that lead. And of course, you're going to build a page for that, for those people who are asking to have a page built. However, that free member needs to get in there and update or PIF. So you need to be in constant contact with your free member because you promised them, that person, that prospect, that you're going to pay for the first position, pay the one tron. So you may stay in contact with that free member. Now, if that free member does not want to do that, I don't know why they wouldn't. What you're going to do is you're going to take out their referral link and put yours in there. Because in order for this to work, somebody has to PIF that person who is requested to be PIFed. And if your free member does not want to do that or does not do that, you're going to have to take out their referral link and put in yours. Okay, I'm going to finish this up. You know what to do. I said, don't be confused. The sales page has been updated, and all the sales pages from now on will look like this. So for those paid members that are watching this video, if you want me to update your paid sales page for you, it looks like this now. Just PM me or direct message me and I'll do that for you. Won't charge you anything. With that said, this is Harvey the Silver Fox. I'll see you in the Crypto Team Build Telegram group, ready to help you earn more crypto.